Lazy kids are quiet for a while, so I still have a drink. I have the twins them doing homework on the beach. I'm so excited and proud. So take a look at them doing their homework on the beach.
You did?
You're gonna get a couple of these in a minute.
And we have the roaring fire over here.
So, guys, we're gonna try this barbecue sauce bourbon. It's actually for ribs.
But we're trying it on shrimp.
But we're gonna try it on some shrimp.
Because we're rebels. Big, fat, juicy shrimp.
So I'm going to pour the barbecue sauce, the bourbon barbecue sauce. I'm going to pour it in the shrimp here. I'm going to stir it up.
It actually tastes good, you know. That does have a kind of a bourbony.
It has like a
smoky,
bourbon tasting.
Mesquite kind of. Yeah.
And I'm going to place it on it.
You want to add a little hot sauce in it too? Sriracha hot sauce?
Yeah. So we add some of the barbecue bourbon sauce. And I'm going to add some sriracha sauce on it because it kids them like that. Yes, you come on, come on this side. Right, so Ariana will mix.
Stuff all over your face.
Oh, that's my father. He had the cold thing on his face. He slapped me.
You make it sound like I real cuffed you good.
Right behind the camera right now.
Alright, put them down. Alright, put them down. God, you're gonna just flop them?
That's how it's done. Mommy, he's not a real chef. I said, you're a real chef. Chef?
What are we, fake ones? You and me?
Yeah. Mommy's a real chef because if I want to know, I will tell her right now. The reason I'm saying my mom is a real chef and my dad and I are not because my mom worked in Treehouse.
So, guys, we're here. This is our last day here. And it's a lovely view we have here. You could never go wrong with this view. It's perfect, and the weather is so wonderful. The weather
Today,
is hot, nice.
Beautiful today.
Yep.
Alright, let's get them shrimp on the Barbie.
Yeah.
Larry, how's the shrimp tasting?
Good and spicy.
You like it like that?
Huh? So wait to come up next.
Boys, how does the
Good.
bourbon barbecue sriracha shrimp taste?
Good.
Just good?
Yeah. Mom, nothing done.
Where's your fork?
I don't want it.
Mr. Fussy Pants, how is the shrimp?
Good.
Did you eat any or did you have it?
Oh, yeah. I eat the rice. It's good.
How do you know it was good?
Because it looks good.
Wow. Alright.
Good morning.